Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a delicious immune strengthening pineapple drink. Let's start with filling this saucepan up with distilled water. Next, we're going to add a few shakes of turmeric. Turmeric has a lot of great benefits, like eliminating inflammation, strengthening the immune system, easing pain, and enhancing cognition. Now it's time to add ginger. Ginger is a spice with powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Some of the benefits of ginger include its ability to help relieve nausea and pain. It also improves respiratory conditions and strengthens the immune system. So now we're just going to bring this to a boil and let it boil for about 5 minutes. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. So I've already transferred the spices into this glass container. As you can see, it's piping hot. So now we're just going to mix the pineapple juice with the spices. Pineapples not only taste great, but they're also great at boosting immunity and managing your sinuses. I would recommend that you would fully open the can instead of draining it. It is too time consuming. We're just going to roll a lemon. Get those juices flowing. Cut it in half. I like to poke little holes in my lemon to help loosen the juices. I've already got most of the seeds out, so now we're just going to squeeze the lemon juice. Stir. And there you have it. All right, guys. I want to thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe.